indicators are pointing to a seller's market, homeowners still have some uncertainty and concerns about listing their home in today's market. Hi, I'm 𝙍𝙖𝙩𝙖𝙗𝙗 with eXp Realty. Let's break it down. 5 concerns sellers are feeling today when getting ready to list their homes. First, economic uncertainty. Many sellers are concerned about the state of the economy and its impact on the housing market. They may be worried about job security, inflation, and other economic issues that could account for the demand on homes. Competition. Even with low inventory, some sellers are worried about the competition they face in selling their homes. They are concerned about their property will stand out among similar properties in their neighborhood, or that they will need to do many repairs. Pricing. Setting the right price for their home. Some sellers are worried about pricing their home right in a changing market. They are worried about the price may be too high and therefore sit on the market for too long or too low and not get the maximum return on their investment and leave money on the table. Closing delays. Sellers are worried about their transactions may face closing delays, with buyers changing their minds or not being able to secure their financing. They worry that this will create a delay on closing on their home and their move. And finally, safety concerns. Some sellers worry about strangers accessing their home for showings and open houses. Keep in mind, they're all valid concerns, which is why it's always best to work with an experienced, knowledgeable real estate agent that can walk you through your concerns and put together a plan to how best sell your home worry-free. Feel free to connect with me and my team today so I can guide you through this important decision. I'm 𝙍𝙖𝙩𝙖𝙗𝙗 with eXp Realty, your real estate solutions expert.